I think the most compelling aspect of this whole course is that there are tools that they've created or uncovered that are pretty much unknown to traditional medical community.
They have a formula to diagnose, to treat, to follow, and to demonstrate improvement. So not only can you identify disease, but you can treat it, you can cause regression or prevention, whether it's primary, secondary, or tertiary hardening of the artery or end organ diseases. And to me, that's very compelling.
Well, I think it gives you better tools and other thought processes to really kind of dig deeper and actually find those people instead of them finding you.
The most compelling aspects of the method is that they apply to pretty much every patient I can imagine. Cardiovascular disease is the biggest killer in men, women, doesn't matter what your age, color, age, race, it's a huge risk factor. So it applies to everyone.
The key thing to this method is education. In order to educate, you have to take that time, and I've always believed that. I always try to empower the patient. The more they know, the more they can help. Knowledge is power, and that's the key. And so now I have something to give them.
This course has got to be a foundation, I think, for doing that. It gives us all the basic tools to look for the disease that really kills most people. That's vascular disease.
This is the cornerstone of prevention. To really know, and every time they say it, I almost have chills, what is the root cause of why their lipids are bad or why their sugars, and that is what I like. They really go down to the root cause and solve the problem.
When a patient comes in to me, I can look at him in a different way. I mean, if he's not feeling better and his markers are not better, then I know I haven't done my job.
You don't have to be a researcher, you don't have to be a professor, you can be a practitioner that wants to help people. And this is really a unique program that gives you the tools to go out and prevent blood vessel disease in people. And let me ask you, what could be nicer than that?